Processing payroll doesn't have to be difficult. With our web-based system, both clients and employees can access the payroll portal either via online or by using the app on their smartphone. To process a payroll, clients simply have to come into the portal, go to the payroll entry screen, and complete the grid. The pay codes here will be determined based on the client's need. Salaried employees will have default hours or amounts. And then you just come in here, and this works just like an Excel grid, and enter whatever needs to be entered or paid for in place. Once everything is good, hit review at the bottom of your screen, and this will tell you your total cost of payroll here on the right. You can also click report at the bottom of the screen to grab a pre-approval register and double check that everything looks good. Once you're ready for payroll to be processed, go back to the payroll portal and hit submit, and this will send payroll over to us for processing. One key difference between using Valor Payroll Solutions and using something like QuickBooks or Gusto is that once you submit that payroll, we're going to receive it, we're going to log in, we're going to calculate it again and review the payroll to make sure there's not any errors that stand out to us. Once payroll is processed, we will email you a set of payroll reports, and that's your cue that everything has been completed. Employees have access to a portal online or by downloading an app on their smartphone, which allows them to see their basic information and also to download, print, or view their pay stubs and W-2s. So on their profile, they will be able to see their information such as their hire date, their pay rate, and any deductions that may be coming out of their check on a recurring basis. And then coming over to the Pay Stub tab, they can select any pay date from the drop-down menu, and that will bring up their pay stub for them to download or print. They can also access W-2s for completed years in the portal. This saves clients time by allowing employees access to these documents because usually if they need them, they need multiples for things like a loan or mortgage. So instead of printing these out or preparing them for employees if they've lost them, you can just direct them to the portal where they can obtain those documents on their own. We specialize in payroll tax compliance, including multi-state employers. In the portal, clients have access to the tax forms area, which is where all of the tax filings are managed. However, this is something that we take care of on clients' behalf. So we do all of the filing and paying of taxes, which includes federal, state, and any local taxes that may be involved. We'll also help you determine liability if you have questions. If you need to register for a new tax account because you're a brand new business or going into a new state, we'll take care of that for you as well. So again, in the portal, you do have access to view forms as needed, but we do take care of all of the tax filings and payments on your behalf.